Prior to the start of the semester, you need to accept your financial aid award in order to actually have it awarded to you. To do this, log into MyMCC and click on the Financial Aid Award button. From here, choose Accept Your Awards, and then you'll need to choose the year. Click Submit, and this is the area where you need to accept the award. This first tab for general information is letting you know whether you're in good standing or not. So right now this student is in good standing, so they are able to accept their award. If you're not in good standing, it would look like this. That means that you need to fix whatever is wrong before you can actually accept your award. If you click on this link, it will give you a description of what may be causing the problem, but you need to contact an advisor to get this fixed or find out what your options are. So the next tab you need to go to is Award Overview, and yours might look different than this depending on what awards you might see. So this is an institutional scholarship, or it could say grant or Pell Grant. It might list your loans, and it's showing for this student that this scholarship has been split $500 for the fall and $500 for the spring for a total award of $1,000. Now, just knowing your award is not enough. You actually have to accept it. But before you accept the award, you have to go to Terms and Conditions and accept those. You'll know you need to accept terms or conditions. You might have received a letter in the mail, an email, etc. And all you have to do is come to this tab, click here for the terms and conditions to read them, read the additional information and reference policies, and when you're ready to accept, click Accept. Once you have accepted it, you'll see this confirmation area right here, and now this Accept Award Offer tab becomes visible. So I can click on that award offer now. So again, this student has received $500 for fall and $500 for spring for a total award of $1,000. Now there are a couple of things you need to know. First, some institutional scholarships and grants will automatically be accepted. If you have an outside scholarship that's coming through, those are automatically accepted. And some of this financial aid will be prorated. So let's say you're taking 12 credit hours. This is based on you taking 12 credit hours. If, for instance, you go down to 9 credit hours or 6 credit hours, these will be adjusted. If you're seeing a loan here, though, loans aren't prorated. So you can choose to accept the full amount, a partial amount, or decline the loans altogether. In addition, you can see down here that there are requirements that this student hasn't done. So they haven't done their FAFSA, or MCC hasn't received it, and they haven't done this verification form. So make sure if you're seeing these on this screen, you need to get those done as soon as possible as well. The last thing you need to know is if you are waiting for outside scholarships and grants, then you would come to this Resources and Additional Information tab. So make sure you're checking this to see if it has come through or not. Okay, once you have accepted the award and accepted the terms and conditions, you can go back to your dashboard, and if you go to Financial Aid and Payments, one indicator to show you if you've completed everything or not is in this Financial Aid Requirements module. So here you can see that you've accepted the terms and conditions, but as we saw on that other screen, we still need to make sure the FAFSA gets to MCC and that the Verification Form 1 worksheet is done. So if you click that, it's going to download the worksheet you need. If you click this, it's going to take you to FAFSA. So if you need any help with this, make sure to come and talk to an MCC financial aid advisor.